Jenny, how's my new BMW car?
Wow. Good one.
But Jenny, I have a problem.
Hey? What happened?
My garage door opener is not working properly.
Don't worry, I can help you.
Seriously? How?
I know a garage door company in Arizona. FHR Garage Door Company. They are experts in garage door works.
Okay, but I'm in Tempe. Far from Arizona.
No problem. They have 10 branches in Arizona, including Tempe.
Okay, cool. Then please give me the contact details.
Call to 602-753-2224.
Oh, thank you, Jenny.
They also guaranteed same-day services.
Wow. I'm happy.